Welcome to this short meditation to help you find calm and focus. Start by finding a comfortable sitting position. Sit up straight, but not stiff, allowing your shoulders to relax. Place your feet flat on the floor and rest your hands in your lap. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a moment to notice how your body feels in this posture. Feel the ground supporting you, and let your body relax into this space. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you may be holding in your shoulders, jaw, or belly. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. There's no need to change how you're breathing, just observe the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. Notice where you feel the breath the most. It could be the cool air entering your nostrils, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, or the movement of your abdomen. As you continue to focus on your breath, you might notice thoughts coming and going. This is completely normal. Instead of trying to push the thoughts away, allow them to pass through your mind like clouds drifting across the sky. Acknowledge them, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Now, turn your attention to any feelings or sensations in your body. You may feel warmth, coolness, or a subtle tingling. Whatever you're experiencing, try to observe it with kindness and curiosity. There's no need to judge these sensations, just notice them as they are. If you feel your posture shifting, take a moment to adjust, allowing your body to settle back into a comfortable position. Continue to focus on your breath, using it as an anchor to stay present in this moment. As we near the end of this meditation, take 3 slow, deep breaths. With each inhale, breathe in calmness, and with each exhale, release any lingering tension. Know that this place of stillness and awareness is always within you, ready to support you whenever you need it. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a moment to stretch if you like, and set an intention to carry this sense of calm and mindfulness with you throughout the rest of your day.